I'm giving you a taste of Italy today with a simple and tasty pasta. It is pasta al limone. Starting with your pasta, cook until it's al dente. In another pot over medium heat, add your lemon zest and your cream, and you're going to cook it until it starts to simmer. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add in 1 tablespoon of butter at a time until your sauce is creamy. All right, we're almost done. I'm gonna scoop out about 1.5 cups of my pasta water and add it to my sauce. Lastly, we're gonna transfer our pasta to our sauce, and we're gonna follow that by our Parmesan cheese, our lemon juice, and we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. That's it. You've got yourself a meal. Enjoy.